Hi everybody, it's Llewellyn here with Warm to Whimsy. So we're working on this one. It's a new one, and I am going to be doing, this is a custom one. So she sent me a photo of what she wants. I drew up a little, do you like my drawing? I drew up a little sort of to get an idea of where I wanted to put it. So I drew it on paper really quick. This is a pre-sketch. It's super, super nice, isn't it? I put a lot of work into that. No, I just wanted to have an idea of where to place things on a dresser and then find where my middle line, my horizon line is gonna go. So this is based off of a drawing I was sent, and it's gonna be fun because it's gonna be this giant wave coming right here, and I think I wanna do a sunset behind it, and then there's an octopus down here and sea turtle and little fish. So it's gonna be different. It's something I've never done. I'm excited to try it. And I'm just getting my colors opened up here. So I'm gonna start with all the colors of the ocean that I can find. I'm not sure exactly what I'm gonna use yet. The picture that I was sent didn't have any color. So I'm gonna be opening up in the navy and Bunker Hill blue for my dark. And then I'm gonna do cotton is gonna be my light. And the Gulf is like a bright blue, and pure ocean. So let me grab a brush. I'm just gonna start placing the colors. I'm not gonna get too far into the details today, but I wanna get an idea of where I'm gonna be putting all of these. So I wanna get an idea of where I'm placing the wave and the octopus. So that's what we're gonna start with. And I'm gonna start with the Gulf for my big wave. I think that's gonna be my main watercolor, or the main color for my water. So I'm just gonna head right in with it. There was a fuzzy. And get it in here. I'll be adding and going over this and adding all of that detail with the second and the third coats. But for now, this first one is where I wanna get just the idea of everything. I'm excited to do it. I haven't done one like this yet. So I think it will be really fun. And I'm gonna add some peacock in here too. Open up a new one. This is peacock from Dixie Belle Paints. It's really bright blue with a hint of green in it maybe. So it'll be a little deeper than my Gulf color that we have going on. Sorry guys, the joy of opening the new can of paint and it just wants to tear on me. They have these little protective things that I can never seem to get off in one piece, but I did shake it, so we're ahead on that. Dixie Belle makes it easy. They've got all the fun colors. Okay, so this is the peacock color, and I think I'm gonna go along my horizon line over here. That's gonna be a brighter color. I might darken it up a little bit. But we're just gonna start getting the shape of this wave in here and just blocking it. And I'm gonna have my sunset right in the center of the wave circle. The wave's gonna be quite a bit bigger too, with all those white highlights and stuff. Okay. And I'm gonna continue this wave around. And you guys can see it's not going to be quite this bright, but I wanted to get all my lines in there, where everything's going to be. And I'm going to cover over right now some of this drawing, but I'm going to come in again with my smaller brushes, like the artist size brushes, and just go over and add detail to everything. So my octopus is going to be down here on the bottom. And I'll probably right now be adding a little bit of my sunset in here up in the sky. And there's another wave that goes right here. And I really like this color. This is the Gulf. Got little pieces of brush bristle on there to get them off. Okay, so I'm going to continue on with the sunset in the sky. And I'm gonna grab a smaller brush for that. And some of my sunset colors, my favorite sunset colors are gonna be Flamingo. And let me grab a few more here. Daisy is a really good yellow. So I'm gonna get a little bit of Daisy on my brush and add a tiny bit of cotton, and that's gonna be my sunshine color. I'll put it right in the middle, right here. So we'll get the sun brightly shining. And I'll have to go over this part too, because I know it's not gonna cover 100% with how much water I use and how much I blend it. And then I'm gonna have that go into the flamingo, and I'll probably add some white to that as well. I'm gonna switch over to a bigger brush and keep going on my sky a little bit and add it up in over here. Move it up slightly. There. Now you guys can kind of see the idea of the wave coming over the top. And then we're gonna come into this sunset over here. So I'm gonna use some more of that flamingo and kind of add it in here to my sky. And I wanted my sky to just be a different color than the waves. I'll usually use this like Gulf color in my sky a lot, but I wanted it to definitely be a different color. So I think I'm gonna grab some amethyst, which is like a purpley color, and add some of that in as we blend up and out. Some amethyst and some cotton. We're gonna make this thing bright and fun. So with my first coat, what I really like to do is exactly what I'm doing right now, blocking in all the colors. And it's kind of like sketching it out for me. You know, like if you're gonna do a sketch before you paint, or you do a drawing before you paint on a canvas or something. So this part is that for me on the piece of furniture. It gets all my ideas in there, and then I know how big I want things to be and where I want them to be. So that's what's happening right now. Okay, so Octopus is gonna come in. He's gonna be down here in the bottom. So I'm just gonna get some lines in there for now. I'm just gonna use the black and outline him. thank you guys for being here. I will definitely be live again next Wednesday at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time is my regular lives. And then usually I'll go live once on the weekend. Every once in a while I'll go live on the weekends if the kids will allow it. We'll see. All right, you guys have a good night, and I'll be seeing you soon.